Alright, today I'm going to install a replacement radio on this 2016 Nissan Sentra. I went ahead and removed the old radio, and this is the replacement from LKQ. We like LKQ because they're OEM parts. It's a salvage yard, and what they do is take out the parts and then sell them. So they took off this radio, and hopefully it works. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in real quick. What we're first going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug in all these pigtails into their appropriate location. Alright, and there it is. All the pigtails are connected. There is no wrong way of doing this because those pigtails only go into one location. Alright, on this side, when you put it in, there's a little latch right there. You'll have to cross over and latch there. Same thing on this side. Now you're ready to put in the 4 Phillips screws that we removed to originally remove the radio. Let's go ahead and put on those 4 screws. Alright, before we proceed, since this is an LKQ radio, we're going to go ahead and test it out. Make sure it works. And see if we get... Oh, there it is. Instantly. Sweet. There it is. Alright, so this radio is working. Let's go ahead and proceed. Let's go ahead and put on those screws. Alright, once you have all 4 screws secured, radio is nice and safe. And now we're going to go ahead and put on the cover plate that goes to it. Man, this guy's going to burn out the clutch. Alright, so let's go ahead. It's my boss. Let's go ahead. It's because I drive a stick, so I know how to drive it. Let's go ahead and just press this in. And you're set. Man, driving clutch is so fun, dude. But when you know how to do it. And there it is. Everything is nice and working. And we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, it's a commercial. Sweet. So I don't get monetized. Thank you for watching. That is how you install a new radio on the 2016 Nissan, what do we say? Sentra. Sweet. Thank you for watching. And as always, please like and subscribe.